Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in an apartment that is right off 14th Street and 5th Ave, and I'm standing in a common area right now. I guess you'd call it the great room. And what I'm doing for this project is I'll be creating floor plan drawings and a reflected ceiling plan drawing. This is a new purchase, and the owner's going to be doing some remodeling. So let me walk you through. Bedroom here. There's a large bath back there with all the colors. There's another bedroom in here. And then this would be the master bedroom. We have a window here. The master bath here. So we'll stand-up shower there. Washer dryer, closet, and another closet. I guess him and hers closets. So this is what I'm working on today. I wanted to show you around. Thank you for viewing my video. And if you ever have need of existing condition drawings of whether it be an apartment or a townhouse or a commercial space, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Have a fantastic day.